miaba no kolomi de wezo mi va venir ba etv ba ya vala di ka gama ga de mi ano mi agbo egbe pe la ma se fo wona o ke egbe nya efida pe dinu enya pen ke andrele ba egbe pe bla fo adia me ka gama ga da bale ke mi wena mi aga no mi agbo ke akọ the best sports you akọ ado mi agbo ke mano eziame ke akunya da akọ do mi agbo ne be gama da ma bro ba akọ me ke agede nyo me pe pa jama ka gbe mu nya fi mi aga juru egbe to ma waga no butu to abale ke mi na kwa egbe ha aga no ma ke na do ke bele consider ma enu gede nyen wi ke le ejim le consider ma ale be ke na nya bo va transfer akpaja me nya bi kra ele hot yes ele hot ale be ke Vinicius Junior ever post and as the no ke ready anya mi ke never go Real Madrid to be a we fly fiale no pom ya ye maga gere Real Madrid ko abugo ke aya ko gere mi ako adare mi agbo ke ne ma kan yo no biare ko aka da no biare le ka no biare da no biare ka de mi a atere mi ako mo da ka be ke mi ako wona ale ke egbe to aga no don ko mi le Facebook ha na ba gere Facebook ha na a tap bani ba TV ko ako mi le to ma ne ma ke ne ba gere YouTube ha ako mi le to ma ayi ko na ba subscribe ko wala nya amabanto ke notification ava no be ako wona ke mi ako egbe to ako ado ru be ke ojebe mi ado ka be mi abuga mama agada wona oji pata ke ako na ka ako dala mi ako afi aga tro ako ka ma jago ma to GF ba ako me magare fly ka me la gama se ba wona America no confirm 48 clubs ke are compete this year division 1 league for akpajia 48 teams wona me ko confirm if you have ole egbe so ke ako gomala this season division 1 league for akpajia na ma mi la gama se fi maka le enyama ma o de global zone 1 for akpajia o ma zone 1 le akpa ever e ka zone 1 e pla zone 1 bi na ma over alle enyama ka la zone b a na ma ka o ga le enyama ka la zone 3 ba akpajia na ma ko ga le ka le over zone 3 akpa te ma na ba interest alo mi ba mo ko le ba akpa home stars play ato na ma o le zone 3 ba akpaji ka te ma na ba nyaba asusu a etroro vi am nyaba over zone 3 ba akpaji a menye nya vi cry ke ma me gede le nu pon le zone 3 ba akpaji ka ma ko zone 3 ba team so ke le ma akọ adare nya ba ka mi la ko ma se ba sempa fi FC nya ma ke na le akpo go le this is division 1 super division 1 liga in America na ko gono na make atom division hale MN make West African football West African football academy wafa hale go me pomla na make home stars mi have a home star the home star bo hanya America na la ho bla ma ale ga ka true democracy FC na make Accra Great Olympics and then FC Nania and then Hakla FC hale ta ma na make ka Inter Allies and then Okwawa United, Golden King, and then Accra Lions, and then Golden Warriors, Wanya American Hoblamaka, 7 waves Wanya American Go Hoblamaka, Nukunu Sports Academy, Wanya Maker, Nala Tabama, I think Susakra, Zone Akbajaka, Nukunu Royals, Kotoku Royals, Wanya Americo, Wahano, Hoblamaka, Zone 3 back, many Africa, Team Solar, Bosoika, after this season division, 1 Liga, after the Camilla Gomasanga Hobla, Ajagomel. September 18th to 21st aye ho blew ajagobe le jinu kana bonarema wole yenyuma damie atu daji akaba black bees wonya American fear eto ikena ba ya ono to mebela mali to connect over Africa Women's League women AFCON na ebo va akoma blast queens onya me kono ntabo ale go ka to wona go ton pala male to ko ka agade ka nyami ko ade do no bono no kala nebo va black queens akpaja draw nyami kan timi nyame me ko da so akoma mi atu le ji ai go de ho ble pa akabo go no ma ka ko ba ga ho ble ka ko ba nyami black queens akpaja ko ba to me ka ji na ma go le nyama ka ma afu ma ga media FC, Nation FC, but I'm going to reflect. I don't care. I go to things one or Ghana, but I'm going to make I know Ghana for the week. I got Africa, but I can I want to CAF Champions League, CAF Confederation Cup, nene ma wole ma ka me de mafia, wonya me ko ngere CAF Champions League akwaje ka nation FC a, wonya me ka ko ho MTN FA Cup a, wo ngere CAF Confederation Cup akwaje ka before draw nya mi ka ne ban aji le Rabat to come agent to come draw nya mi ka ne ba aji the mic me la do me se ka me dia FC to ba wan do do Congo Giants Mazembe nenema tipi Mazembe nenema wulenge maika lo ano abodo tipi Mazembe la TNA Paga TNA Stadium nenema wan wulenge maika wan abodo TNA lo ano abodo le TNA Stadium le tapo akpa nenema wulenge maika le obre akpa vele akpa Congo to come ka ano abodo tipi Mazembe nenema wulenge maika ne over congratulations Confederation Cup, National Sitonia America, and of the Mali, Malastima, FC Gara, the name I will let you make or never and was Tim Alvaro Americano, a Gama for the Mega Abu, Calf Confederation Cup, Calf Champions League, I will let you Emma, Kama out, Ashanti Kotoko, former communication director. Stafford Duku, you know, make another brother, and ya bong jajale, coaching can over appoint Eric Tickler, and now make a bong jajale, a taxes playable one after I now make a bong jajale male, but never vanish the back by Jahina maker, actor maker, another a display maker, ano abu woman, Aleba, Ika Awe Hubber, never over a club apaja, and Muaga, Troaleka, Yola Nucha, if you Muaga, Madam, Abaleka, no, Chanino, then my Safo Zuku Demba Bronami, former communication director Ashanti Kotoka, then my Wolaya Michael Odemba Bronami, Philip Flavia Egomesam, Kama Abu Magade Mediama Abuma, one year make no announce the signing of Emmanuel Fubi on 3 years contract from Georgia Top Flight Club. FC Dila Guru. Menoma Wolenya Mike, Mila Gomesavia, Mediama FC, one year make no announce Emmanuel Fubi, 3 years for Akpaji, Nenema Wolenya Mato, Georgia Top Flighter, FC Dila Guru, Nenema Wolenya Guru, Nenema Wolenya Maka, as a closing on Park Academy Center Backer, Manuel. Monday, Nenema Wolenya Maka, final thoughts are expected to be wrap up this weekend. Nenema and also Manuel Monday, Namaka, Agari, Akras of Abu Bomaka, Akaro season year, Akanabona. Kama Agada Magano, Akras of Abu Kuba. Negotiations are ongoing. Ika, Wola Nusa Mobile, Ada Asabra, goalkeeper Kweku Musa never almost Kweku Musa Abagare Akras of Abu Wamake Ano Ekwakono Abu Wankamia Gomasava Le Akras of Copa Yamama Akaba over goalkeeper I got the Sulumu Agbesi Ayamaka Nele Mosa Mojitoba Ya Agada South Africa to go Avada Asia, but Stamford FC, the number will my Ajula Agras of Abu Gome, that the number will be a Gomes of Matana and was Sumu Abusia, Ajula Agras of Abu Gome, under South Africa to go make our Stellenbosch Abu Guanama will let him Mabu Maga Caribbean trip America make a like America was a countries to when I make open not to most of it. Because countries one who said, that's a particular Caribbean trip. I come with a 30 million fee and not that for us to go in sorry, countries to talk in not Baba. Yo, here's why I got back your less season. Yeah, you can get up then I will let you my Canada and also a Caribbean. Make as a commentary to Abu Guaiga Anobo, I got them Anobo Coromula. Camilla Daniel Kovic, I make a flyer, and Mokata Soika, I got other brother Abu America, second year of Academy Olenima, can I look at Danaku private Niga, that's other brother Abu America, carry our labor baker over 2 years. So I haven't got to private Babu, I feel over season. every contract vanya me kana unu frank ba abu ba fly ya e be like go say abu ba refresh ever start alo I ba career club what I prepare abu ba second tier for apaji come out to the akwa baba Idris American former Maroka player former Maroka and then Amira player and my fly ya never quite the say corner AD UD America Abu Wale Baker never G Conle Brunoff Flavia Segoma Yagapa a Jabba to the edge Aquamana Gramika Damiana America Abu Baleko less nigga over America Fasoba one young may go no Damabene Leba and then good Thanks to one make no pare wale abo ball bonya wa akoro do beke o jabe akado ne over amuri abo wa meta akoma ya bro ene ke ye de no wale be ka da ma de be ya atroji ke ya agada alo ya ava experience another try as le akwa di kamela no go fi akwa baba idu so ena make na gala sebia to come asi abrata partisan be great for abo wa ke ano ba ke ojule amuri free agent go nyala fi ma fi partisan for Abu make Abano partisan for Abu Bamu, then I will lay ye Emma, Miaba Nukola Fifla Fia, Marco transfer the car of Varoconamiqua, where Ma Agada Magublava Apemaker, Ma Agada Velagica, Mi Ako Ebertado to break or Jamia Ako Akori. Can you fly Camilla goes to Barcelona, FC Barcelona Toa, when I make Gonagale among Papa said, your side, Julia Avaresica, or Akpada, your movie flight. Camilla goes to Julia Avares, Debeka ya agada Barcelona for Abu America Yabado Barcelona to just a Ghana for Barcelona mu then my will yen Emma come aga no Barcelona for Abu America Camila go Sanjaba Barcelona to one America never over a personal terms for one America no complete personal temple already fly there akawodika no sanu so be never and but Basuna Master Abu Waka Rodria, then you make Abagale Basuna Abu Camilla goes 50 million per year and make Wahaka to money for the Kada 50 million per year and you make Waka to make as a contrast from now to 2030 year Rodri Ada Basuna Abu Wakala Basuna Venamaka Aquaba Aika over agri contract Rodria when I make 45 million plus 5 million adults. Akogere masses to bobe afi fly ya mi polu play road ike nu siam so bebe anu be ya gere pa apu boma ike mi ko 45 million mi akode kutu me play 5 million adults mi akode kutu me mi kembe ya ko ka masses to wanya ma ike no ko ko Barcelona to rabe mi wa mi la asime ko ma ale ke transfer ko no la ji ile mi le ko ma ka Rodri a kwasi a ga ike ko mi le mi fly ya afi mi ata ma play Rodri ka 80 million enyo mi ke mi akode afi atom ako Spanish midfielder Rodri le akon Jika Basuna Toa, one time we go not talk with Mejoa, me Naku Blavadema will lay in ma. Can you fly your Magu Blama to Magana Chelsea Parliament? Chelsea never level Chelsea Babu Wanga. Players or one time you're going to ask about Papa Abu Wama Alego Bacon, never a level 41 players, 41 senior players, and you make another. Preseason tournament just the other if like Jamila Gomez I feel like them Amit Premier League Dodoa Ajabanka wa offload 16 players and then we go offload you also 25 players you can what them ako this season for Akpajia 25 players go jebe wa ako get season America if like assistant players and then we go jebe no offload America jago America ano above woman well never gama me Alan Kulonga Belenga wano can you fly you don't give 25 days here when you can also go Chelsea outflow those 16 players 25 days and you can also Chelsea outflow those 16 players well what do outflow the America and Apamaika Napo this year Premier League for Akbajo but never Gamadale call me Akwa Camila Agama Rafael or Yamaika Fia SM Lanto over now Leeds United Manchester United and Arsenal as as he explained a possible Premier League move. Kakabi Flash, I'm not going to say Premier League clubs will now be out. Your matter at the side, but the player Rafael Leola, Akawaji, Flash, seems you are interested in Rafael Leola, and then for the budget. What would now make another interest in Flash, below your other side, but the player Rafael Leo, Akawaji, cover agent to all and stand over your Akko club, so if you whatever you matter, Abu Galaji, Milan for Abu Nenema will Camila Agons, Real Madrid, one American fear, who announced your money, Vinicius Junior as the timing was indeed to settle the spotlight and then shift attention away from Barcelona progress in the race to sign already. Camila was Real Madrid one year America already prepared. He cannot announce the signing of young Dumade, Vinicius Junior contract will renew. Who announced the contract? Who announced the Joaquin Spell? Yoko Ashi, I like Robbie Sakale at the Mufla in Barcelona. Yoko Ashi member Nesta, Manamika Arno, Ale Gonakele Fly, Magdona, the Tobacco, like yes, hello, Rabbi, not Barcelona, the internet hanging making a good alley with come and Robbie is not Robbie is not Robbie. Then I will lay in my cave life here. Well, never Damata. I like a more Robbie, transfer Sagamoya. Me, I got the more than me, Alakura, the payment labor, Magula, never will lay my camera. Robbie, I ever entered the home, could transfer Sagaboy Akaja, Robbie, but entered the home, make a brother. Already entire confirmed number, Ritoba, and we fly here, your mother, Agada, Robbie, Pabo, you prefer Basuna, Robbie, Robbie, but entered the make an album, Robbie, Toyo, Robbie, Toba, our fly, Magada, you prefer, but you added Basuna, Pabo, Bamato, Robbie, Pabo, and can never good move on what me and Barcelona good move now. Robbie, hello, I was not Madrid they look at Madrid. Well, what black as make another mover. Never Gamada, me, Alan, Douglas Luiz had rejected Everton offer and then want to continue his career at Everton, Juventus, Lenima. Camila Gomez, former Aston Villa player, Douglas Luiz, and then Brazil top Domapola, Douglas missing American, Brofia, Yama Diba Yaga, Everton, Pablo Maker, Yetiba Yak continue ever carry a Juventus. We fly Camila Gomez, Luciano Spalletti, American, Juventus, and American, Mutella, Photography, Princess, Papa, Nkaya, Loba, Abu Bawa, the plane, and my will end my carnival, I was a budget, Douglas Luiz are continue ever carry a Juventus stone and my will end my Camila Gomez, a Newcastle Toa, well, Musa Nova, what a money, I call with German International, Yola Momenta, never a Daniela. Never a Daniela over Asima, a yard as so have make Ajula over the Baco Jabia. Why come on a broken I want the Newcastle, the Newcastle, I go over big players who are go Jota, never over Bruno Gomez, I make Oja, Aston, and Market, Sandro Tonelli, Tottenham Hotspur, but Abu Bakar, Fifth Flash, I got a so we all as over striker, what Amadi, and Mula, Akawajika, Wagare, Abu Kabuma, Commander Newcastle, the Newcastle, I go over Hernala, over the Aslam, like a Muava, analysis number, well, never like a me, Alan Good, Camilla Gomez, PSG, Tawana, American, no value, Bacola, but you are a Gava, you are 50 million, Nicolas Bacola, never less than 150. I am Bacola, Liverpool, Tawana may go prepare 150 million. Bradley Bacola, make PS Tobe, our global Egama, Name never of us, Milasiva, like a waffle, a Magan Rangers, 130 million, 137 million, Elliot Anderson, 135 million, never of us, this akwa 45 million yen make o plus no be e kan yebo wa Bakola Brandon Bakola akwa Liverpool to wan make no ko 150 million ko ga PSG pa ko be a mi bulu e me be ke ba ko ga ko ja ala ba 150 million ma de para kana Bakola ala ba ne ba va transfer ba akwa yen no ke tro alle go be ka Bakola awu e ga ka me ko be fly ka o nya Liverpool to ba bo ba a no bulu no ba adi da ko be e jan no ma wo le e ma ka ma akọ so na mi kwa ma bulu a be ka me ko ma se PSG wana maika no wo gada Mario Gusto pa me ko le o konji ko be ane be enu so ye wa da asi agbada pro so be ka baba agare yo pa me Camila do ma se be Chelsea wana maika be na be PSG to be yo agade ma yo ba ko ago Mario Gusto akọ juro yo pa ka je no ko ega 75 million yen mi ko akọ da asi afi agare yo ji ne be ega ba de 75 million wa ka yo mo ada se Mario Gusto mi ka wa ajuro yo pa apo ko ne be wo le ye ma ka mi aba no pala fia dama kolom ko do ye ya ke ma bla me ke magada divanji ke ho bele si divan wezo ya ma ga be kra ya na yo ba we ke na ma ko nu gere ni ke na follow we ke na le ma ke transfer no allergy processing allergy na le go ke teams wa do we ke mi lu mu akọ be no Pam. Chelsea, so far, so bad now. Like, le over 3 friendly go for o win the guy can lose everything. No matter other clubs for Arsenal and then Liverpool. One of my no LGBT. Can Bayern Munich play Aston Villa or the Logic 2-1 in the so far, preseason, I'm a guy who impressed preseason here. Team Kyle will impress him.
My global praises na me global when Liga start. That proper coaches are new players over who promote players from academy.
Okay.
I feel got a blend with the old players. I feel over a footballer. Okay. That young global justify.
Okay.
Proper make a season jagoma. I think I know starting 11 man.
Okay.
Young global do Chelsea over na manyanyi ka ajidampo kaka magloba onya America magloba is early this year in the young global man inanya season amaje ko mamya po changes do ko ni kana jojo da so far so good wokata wa gbabaje nyoma blog ya ba da gbabaje mu aba season amaje ko jajira do o mo la whether they lose or lose wokata na lose go ma fi mo la na po ba ka ba ke kana aro ta wokata wa gbabaje ko nya ko mo ba ni kata chi mo la before the beginning of the season wa
okay ka mi agro bagana to come ke actually kana ba ya ko be Black Queens wa onya mo ekono to plan ma yo to ko ke this year women AFCON le ejim ale be ke wala o no afnya ga o no akobe mi hina tata so aro mi aduji ke progress ike na ya ba na plan no a o ja agaba ha le be ke no wa pick data so wa wa ni no ike na eje ike mi progress get quarter final ba round 8 ike mi ano go don play Malawi for Abuja like I talk about already like na point and then mi aba go don play Malawi de no ka wo je mi awo ike progress at the semi final.
Oh, okay. My global Black Queens over one this tournament. My global managed winning Yaba Americano. Before this tournament, play tournament you got damage over ya. The performance I won no better we are.
Okay.
3 matches in for the group so far. We win against Cameroon. I don't know. We win against Cape Verde. You lose against Cameroon. You draw against Mali. Like what money and that I value Keminya Black Queens and the last WAFCON would do semi-final. Okay, would do semi-final. I feel at the final. I'll go 10th place. Yeah. So
Morocco.
Yeah. So no, it's about performance, man. you got call before over this tournament. 4 friendly matches were
Yeah.
woman lose the co.
Yes.
Na call performance more kata na pen more kata na I feel na call cover this tournament maybe you think but maybe this group they will top the group I qualify come over join them over 4 points qualify and you have America global knows but performance you can make against Cameroon player a trouble man you may improve mark waga koko in the next game the subsequent game you come global you make final what in your do kakaba the tournament what man you make but there is a room from improvement.
Room for improvement.
Yes, improvement. We will have the performance of the ladies who are back. But I'm a cage of performance. I'm probably the team. Friendly. I'm like a friendly. But last tournament we have and you have American. The guy come up first. Jirudu play GFA kata
over support over support
that kind of that kind of one now is that kind of encouragement.
Yes.
What thing now we play to Yola Magbano Pogabano one and na players were a cover get age level which not the captain 37 years. Yeah, about 37 years. About players 32, 33, 35. Yeah, that Bobo Katana knows about intro over Nionia by this time. Yano for Bramba don't know retire. Yabo focus more on women's side and I'm on that time. That's a couple of perform over club side. That Bobby that kind of open performance like Eddie Dina Quabe over attack Kenya Grace Budua. I like any pony charm, a Pogaba that kind of either attack league
attacking traits
Magalia by channel that probably each will know contributing factor over performance that Nyaba come upon young who promotes young ladies are cooperative mafia from under 20 that my timber the coach knows was senior players none of the young ones are playing all young and all energetic energy the fire or high was what in improvement points. Improvement people Cuba Malawi game and Yaba Maricama Pomba Miating friendly Macrami to 4-0.
Okay. Nengabe ava akobe le etobe akobe mibu ag dodo mono ale gbe iken Yaba Maricaba abe clear chances adowa akobe mimetendo agamo kogele Malawi game abale ke yeglope mi le miabe friendly match ni for akobe 4-0 enemy kemiyeko. And then Malawi performance like this tournament they are new debutants. Against Nigeria they pull out a trigger. Odu Nigeria and then over group world top group places points. With goal difference. Over Malawi game with the way we are missing chances. Let me up over man. I feel we can progress.
About the problem. I have improvement. I have a chance to choma and give mama. But provide by the Grace Budu and then on Banaya. A probably performance la money deji the game I'm playing the tournament cut up. I make an to call a Camacho, Canadian Posha. The tournament I got news by Yamania the targets alo Yamania one and a cupola. I cover the team Catala, Nanakama, Yanaka the team. Even against Cameroon, you took you have what you your basil offside. Yeah. Tanos by Amaya either car we knew or threats now opponent to attack la knows by my half even deal got Bobo team Catala off. Off la attack. I just go Dora attack. Then you young players do bench ko tinga coffee ko tinga ba mu change la
Okay.
ala boy nanya ba senior players yo a dog ka ji ka woji ka training nasu before that game ka ba nanya bo chances over they can bury their chances in ala ba coach na on the ala ba yema mo global Malawi wo did woji la friendly 4-0 that even going into that game krahana for the adding on Malawi players who do man
Okay.
Kokure Aleka Uji 4-0. Tangman the adding on confidence adding on confidence Ghana players who go no I mean you Buji we can do it again ka we go watching Buji Tanya Ramadaka Mamopon Bawating Malawi Jagi the semi-final Gaka after that one no super performance woman improve beyond imagination more
okay nanya producer le inki ane ko the draw ko da de modinami kemia ko nanya ba elenkule draw akpa ikemile ne draw akobe enye nwi kenye mo ko be favor mi ala be kemia tem ado final nanya be mi ko mi aba effort ko ru ko ada akobe mi atem qualify nanya be elenkule draw ba akpa de fi kemia mi le ne draw Akwabe, Ghana and then Malawi and then Algeria, Cote d'Ivoire. Miabe Akpajima. Can never over Akpaya, Akwabe, Morocco, South Africa, and then Cameroon, Nigeria. Akwabe le draw by Akpaya, and you can do Musa. I can feel Camille and a draw. Akwabe and we can add damage, never me come up Miela for the Akwamia the Magada final. Like a way.
Yema Magreba knows we improve la. Our teams work by Jam tournament and for team like Nigeria, team like Morocco, Plato, Lawa, Gagaja, Algeria, Alberta. All by budget, that knows when we Enyamoyoka improve the Nyapa performance.
Okay.
Makachi Bamia acting now one and I can always super performance. Might improve. Koyo kemi po against Cameroon. They kemi got po against Mali. Those Benma who got to the games you can achieve especially after
Malawi game.
Then you will meet you the game.
Either Morocco, Cote d'Ivoire or Algeria.
Yeah. Tanos will meet you Gucci. I probably quarter final back by the Cote d'Ivoire, who could do a play Algeria.
Yes.
Morocco, I do go play South Africa.
Yeah.
Malawi, I do go play Ghana. Cameroon, I do go play Nigeria. Tarumahila, no super. I'm Rumani Ghana, and you to Malawi Jilla. Manya do go play America Jilla.
Algeria, Algeria, Cote d'Ivoire.
Okay, then you have to go America, go Algeria, Cote d'Ivoire. I call Cote d'Ivoire, how many bad side?
Yeah.
The tournament, so the same time Algeria. That will improve. I feel nothing I want to get a final.
Okay. Well, me have no color. I got to Ebenigba ti ko ya balo jike wona yin Ebenigba sport ikele mi ya bodo ike mi le enu me gba na mi ko mu choku de Black Queens obli kamole menye bova women afcon ko akpaje ke wole Morocco to come wole musi amu be akọ Ghana ko nko akọ adola jike fifla fi akọbe ke Black Queens ogele oblema o le group stage ko akpaje a woduji the cap you can lose the car you can that way the car you can tempo mon papa you can get a round of 8 you can quarter final you can akoma you get if you fly here and well nanya a choika bona one of the play Malawi to you can never meet them buji akobe semi final you make me about the week then you meet them buji make na buji le Cote d'Ivoire and Algeria problem and my yaman of the play Tami fly here, what me and Black Kings will be what America, what to the G. I've never been laugh for the Aquabe, what me at the final Alabama, the Quake draw, and we can the Miaji, Ale the Wake, a Baleka, and you pay a variable Divania, you blow Modoru, you can call Aleka near. Abule buva friend lu akpa mi block awumadu akobe enyo mi ka akpa mi ka agade mi akono gem the semi final for akpaji well me out the jika me have a transfer of akpaji transfer for akpaji ke me go iflafia no nya mi ke job giti well transfer galactic male bebe ika no the kai canal waving around the globe in Rodri has not been Real Madrid for Barcelona. The two Spanish giants we many of our rivals for Akbajia well unto hanya benka Real Madrid play Barcelona many week in afi Real Madrid Barca play Rodri be ya agade over mafi over Arsenal po ik suli enyo ni kono ba wona agade Barcelona pa abu Diba?
My global road play Man City Barca Madrid banya my global road we I think for Man City but yamaga ki ubon tai jibi a join Real Madrid yeah Florentino Perez bato body global yuma chi alo yuma here Rodri afu
Okay.
I gave a performance the World Cup
Carries,
and pay I think in your over in your own I do say we know approve about you here player. If you are here Real Madrid or and you can offer for you in Man City 50 million euros by your horror. Man City or by 50 million money you can also
Okay.
You allow your delay the contract, but you are expect but Simbu now
Under the reason.
like Ghana college, you allow you that 80 million euros are in your you that player, but now your team are in your player. That and you Man City for targets and your team, but PSG, I look by Munich, Howla, like a player, a global year, be a Julie England.
Okay.
We are waiting by PSG, play Bayern, play Real Madrid, play Barca, how what getting normal. Uka Ghana, you play above value, and about Kakala, Jopavento, Nola, PSG, play Bayern, woman interested, woman show up the player. I make an advice you up by any Barca, Barca, Mina condition in your goal.
Okay.
A Gamma Lushi, a Banos, over no compete with Real Madrid player like Ganya Papaji over player our Gamma Lushi. Kaka Nika a day with Yanya Rodri. Yeah, va probably convince Bea Basala. In your colleague, you can Basa, the Spain national, yeah, like pop player like Lami Yama, Pedri. Gavi, Ferran Torres, Ukata, wala Barca. Na Bobo, when you can adding up convince Badia, who never you call about the camp, like Spain, but camp, and General talking on out the plateau. That Barca, I show interested at, or Barca, I think I use this players.
Nella Gomez Pep Guardiola was also part of the.
Okay. I think I will as I knew I could convince what we were and you have that bomb by the one you land by ya. One you pass out GBI, Kakala San Roma, don't call out you invite Bassa.
Okay.
I said, my no super was a Roma. First, Bassa man interested in my room, Bassa of a yeah, by you. Woman did I balance then you were a part of your Bible and you need canoe. That one he la and Yabalos be a global, ya either Rema, really Rema, do call off a bella, Bassa, and get him. I have a rappers when you knows one, but a couple of these three are my I think disadvantage.
Yeah. So, Rodri Hama is part of the Spanish national team, and I am making a potty man. And any player who carried the national team must be in any of these teams. You get any advantage in either team. So, let's say Real Madrid or Barcelona. And then most attempts like Barcelona players will dominate now the Spanish national team. But when you match one of the advantages Barcelona to all explore.
Yeah, to man. I think I probably Rodri, Ruan F. Alec, your Bronyata to be Real Madrid go, Florentino Perez, but they don't need him alone. You might hear service after that performance like Mila. Man, you feel disrespected.
Okay.
That Basava, me and Mala, a full walk up with me, Basava. Another factor I got you, Barca par City style of play là de sosoga
Okay. Yeah.
to baba Rodri up ball Spain
Attico,
ko
yeah.
e Kenya Attico ha Attico ha ko ball ko la Real Madrid
Okay. Yeah.
direct football to baba ha tinya a consider maga ka baba Barca ovano kaka and Barca City
Okay.
City ovano kaka fia City first style of play là fruit with
Okay.
Barcelona. That football, no nyaba yava Barcelona. Then that style of play, la tinya we yaga tinya continue aleke no abu damle City ba abu dam. Tam mo ko kaka anya fia yaba Barca. Ko offer ko in City. City ba kama ko la ka manya nyika anya nyika yo adding other said about via if ya no super if ya la nyabon popon malu nyabon goma sesem fia ma ko ba Real Madrid will withdraw from the race. That was where a guy wo kokon with ya Barca kokon with ya Barca nyama ka di ball king race up to 80 million euros aba ko withdraw. Ala ano get less. That no ba jono no ma you over that silver road in China Barca come on Man City and lose.
Yeah.
Ala no road as into the Real Madrid who 65 million plus add-ons no go bana no ga 70 million. Ka add the oji ala ba guy ke Barca ko ya. Madrid jabare ko 45. Madrid jabare ko Danos gono ga direct crack 55.
Yeah.
Anyi ka abare funa abo play out 1 year contract ko contract City ka be next season la abazo free agency ka no manya wala you got toro body season la ka fi awo free agency ka bana ju ka la club am free ko fi aba City a lose ta ebona ngo ka bo bana sile ka last minute gare ko la be Real Madrid magale ready if I can get quick when you walk over target ke jimo la close to 80 million
already la o feel a bit betrayal player betrayal
that City my papa o nyame ka o nya duguru na adora si akoto bi amuwa na adewoji kaka Bagbo target in your PSG club by Amamo Galoshi. Tanova, what in your 75 plus 5 acre, what in your 80 million, no respect.
How much Rema? How much? And however, the transfer aspect are
yeah,
I never always able to Rema didn't have Jibenka, ya double a beer. PSG had double a Liverpool and Chelsea. You go on Moses Kaisedo.
Yeah, and I'm actually that $12 PS club by our mighty battle that probably about the city via Bassa Kuvachi, Mamma Fiaga, Romani, a guy called Bana Cocoga, or even a Kubana Cocogalas meaning Ban, over Kakanu, Yanika, knows about. After Boba after World Cup behind the Bocho is
yeah.
Tano Zuba Real Madrid and no consider I feel no offer convey. When no Zuba got a Gabafia who got back for injury cola. Oh, Gaba season, Bonoga, yeah, ball like a ta Bassa, man, you bomba Nika Pomo and your experience. Experience from me, I Zavi no problem that time. I feel over yeah as a club legend. But my enyaba Obronyamo over that shit about on you go to a bachelor Abu Daham. Tafia, Lukumiano Bomba, the coming days will get in Yamaiti, one city, or in Yavaro. First, who reject first of all, Napo Basari, Nka Ogo Gala Cockbaranfia. Ako yika Man City ati ngabarore dilanji ala player ewo amedi for my hope be Magano England.
Okay. Do you think any team that get this player will win the La Liga?
Nyama Grobe Rodri will come and decide for anything whether to win La Liga and Guardiola. Though Rodri is a good player. Rodri, I know Man City. I feel last season. Afi woman take one English Premier League. Woman take Jaguar Balama Champions League. Ta one here, I think never improve alo. I think never over the performance of Barcelona alo. Other Real Madrid la. Iji couple the equal performance, but ale equal style of play. Ngake manye the deciding factor whether to any of these club will win La Liga. Alaba ngola masa.
Okay. Nyaba no pala wala aja kwatro e nyimba tibi. Divine abe makara any of the Spanish giants buying Rodri would decide whether they will win the Ballon d'Or or the La Liga or not. Makara Rodri anya fata any of either Madrid or Barcelona I win La Liga. America ten wa epamuteta or AI I win La Liga. Nama would be a me actually come here gonna Vinicius for Akwaji. Venezuela yang American snob Arsenal never that's it about the play. I will ever renew ever contract play Real Madrid for Apple like a bit I don't know 6 years in the week with that's about it. Do you think there will be Arsenal Venezuela yang American post than Arsenal? Venezuela pass the Atlanta no kai of Real Madrid for Apple.
Manje go my last question. Me Kofiana Real Madrid go da go never play ala committed to Real Madrid where ya awo musha muka ya ako Real Madrid alo ifa chia anlo Real Madrid ala ba na ko apoto dia manya na kreta ku mino September Arsenal atinya ba pla apoto dia Vinicius into Ajibia no Real Madrid. Kaka ga ifa salary ka demand more like Real Madrid where you want initially I know 18 million euros from Ubano fee la alaba fee ko Real Madrid rabu da hachu after Ronaldo Benzema Ojo la clap fee ko clap Ocho Barufia and here by higher no salary for my bag Mbappe on 30 million euros now. You had a boy increase your salary to that level. You are my big bar, you make it or better. Can you are directing that a man who you got 20 million euros per offer cover
2 million euros.
Yeah, I buy your mahog. What Ganochi, few miles and about Pomo, no. Yeah, got in Ankaraniam. Real Madrid Galajo got offer 22 million euros of a copy. Vinicius Cabal, Yaku Coca-Cola, the Gucci, by your salary, now 30 million euros. Back bonus is now, but Fiman Arsenal over 24 million euros of a copy. I put up your banana over 24 million euros plus 100% image rights. Okay, image rights. Your annual 100%. Fima news about Alu and Yava Doba, I think not possible, but to be another for Andrew Alaba, the salary, the Fima poverty, bonuses or Olegy. Ta Roma we go Pong Macaba, Dayo, your emergency meeting. Okay, and a trial on Choraka, yeah, we meet now. You over no Fifia, you only 24 million euros Arsenal and proposal. You only 80% of even image rights, but other bonuses. Okay. Ava we a part of the other companies, a part of the prepared to what in as dollar. Alaba initially even Chile Roman, might be at 12. Katani catching more when you were no increase your salary. After you Roman, you go for Antino Perez, but you might salary forget hopefully first Kylian Mbappe for salary no value ne akoba ni ya yecho ye Ronaldo Joe Real Madrid. Okay, yeah, Real Madrid had no gara home around 22 million euros. Actually no increase in Ronaldo. Yeah, Ronaldo. Yeah. Ronaldo. Ta afi Florentino Perez Benzema Ronaldo Timba Joe Real Madrid at that time. That company I got you. That Florentino Perez multiple and the player Ronaldo near that time like probably age level. Yeah. That now put it as right now, Vinicius were age like young, only 26 years. Probably more years. Yeah, that only 6 years.
Even not before he enter his prime. If you have your football prime, you may yeah.
Jala, probably no. After be I got in your who got a 6 years contract.
Yeah.
After 6 years, man, I cover 32 years.
Yes.
Wouldn't get a level. You know that shit. My got in your other funeral. That cover is just a good thing. Voting way go another Vinicius Estate Real Madrid. If you are a dog, Jose Mourinho Silva, like Nanyaba Fifia Diomande, Ihayama Okovi, Taleko on a player Katasaka, a cover player Okatara, a cover Real Madrid forward, a cover player Okata, forward Kotara, over strength to the left side, a cover Vinicius, over strength to the left side. Diomande, over strength to the left side. Kylian Mbappe, left side. Rodrigo, left side. That proper Rodrigo go no manage the right side. But Tane use by her, Macaroni by her, even injury, I recover like a necessity now will start. You cut out go. Aleko play Osaka, Rodrigo, Kylian Mbappe, Diomande, Vinicius, Ibrahim Diaz, Tokata, Hendrick, Masasamba, or Gagaka. Moments or Tito play a Mokatale Jose Mourinho Santa Afi or Tinga Poipo resort the season Camila Mokata Nanyaba Yadaqua Mia Aquali Copa.
All right. Mia Ako Mia Agade Asna Papa maybe Fleck Vinicius Pusle Noah, William Economic Fran Torres and move an alternative New York Amatera Yopa. Nanyaba Lampole Asna Babu Kama, Fifla Via, our Mika Lucia no Binka, brother, everything in Premier League. Hello, Nanyaba Noah in America, Kasi, a Champions League, but they never learn Polo Sunny more. A combination of Mebaba, one American business. Dume, because add Bruno Guimaraes, we have Declan Rice, and then Zubimendi. A combination Dumela and American level. You fly via. Nu yɛ din Arsenal yɛ bɛ ka that left winger ika Gabriel Martinelli and then this guy from Belgium Ikenejo is it Brighton Trossard. Okay. Yeah, Trossard. Yeah. Akobe Ejo. Taola mane dimen ka aba replace. Do me play Adejo Club Road ka Christos Zolis. Aha ba makalabe Edo mu say ka Atem Akbade Arsenal no matter all Vinicius Junior afi wa post now. Do be ai ka Vinicius post now dey what the Ferran Torres no. Enya make aba agdo ku hima no. A player you can do about you can't know for the Caparas and what can I do Premier League. Now 2 minutes for me as an English.
Okay, now Ferran Torres. I cover Ferran Torres. I'm going to ask now the reason. Okay, yes, the reason. Okay, I can also now my look at young bad thing I was so. Do Ferran Torres. Yeah, Ferran Torres. Lamalu the that stage I think I will make Vinicius, I think okay. Even Trossard, I think Gaka. That space la Makaji batting I feel okay. That boy even wanna probably Barcelona mania starter come as a substitute. That knows about now Mikel Arteta. Mikel Arteta another player do encouragement alone a probably time do it drop na time Thomas Partey it drop never right back to Sani corner to that probably man yakona la Ferran Torres mai ko ba na yo fala I think about the Trossard ti one allo I think about play a part there Arsenal ba nima Arsenal they have good players who wish last season or later part of the last season, Bukayo Saka play Martin Wadoga. This season, Canibana will perform Gachureji with players who qualify Gabriel Martinelli, Gabriel Jesus, Kata,
Jesus Cramila Gomez and Bill last year. Okay, and even was a movers.
Yeah. ala ba ni ka Arsenal expecting ba but to be an thing about offer akoba ma diva
Okay.
a deliver ma
Okay.
ya ta akoba Arsenal o over no striker
Yeah.
number 9
Yeah.
striker Jimba you are up call replace gaka Ferran Torres yema ma bro I think about Arsenal to Arsenal by team
Okay.
then you ba Mikel Arteta I said at the right position allo we define a role ni bo play.
Okay. Well, me I get this so na lay na mkwa ne me a trilogy. Coventry onya make no get no jina kwa make FIFA family go se be o da sa ba Ghana International Calabi entry 30 minutes. Do you think it's a good move? You can act with the Coventry to survive the league.
Yeah, Akpaba Coventry Onyam can qualify from the championship
Yeah.
one by English Premier League. Tawunyana players you got in but what in I maintain sport
Now,
English.
let's say 2 minutes. One.
Let's say upper sport the English Premier League. Already a newcomers.
Yeah.
Na po Akwata Weekend Caribbean Tram
Mm.
is a very good goal for like a Pabal and Young, energetic. That a more than your one was on you within a far acre within fine place like Coventry, where Abu Dhaham, but it's a good move. Alaba, and yet a baker or I develop
Yeah.
Manya, Anyaba, Danica. We the work at Thomas is number think Ganga Gama City,
Real Madrid,
or you Machima, and you are global no. Fimo money at the baker way, I don't know. I G figure what thing I develop less. I G Kuchika bought in America, I develop put talent in my I develop legend. That my Coventry team ma have a full pressure too much in the film. You got what thing I knew. Or thing I play for how to take ni kalama talented kalama tinga di dogo ta ko is a good move no so but you might think about yeah if of about it I guarantee Coventry or tinga so I survive the league and what about to survive you have other way teamwork team akata all about perform kaka individual ni la
Individual brilliance.
Martin however
Okay.
team that can I think survive it's a good move for other what in ala when a born original where if Makatala not promote food land vote as the best player the open league play moment and probably it's a good move for him because he come but I think about develop more I think you add many things to Ghana but I think I will replace Thomas particularly to do the team.
Okay. The Gomi Akpomobe were added to the Coventry City Sadike were added from the Avano Thomas Patepa after them and a divine egg. Second, me actually Kamana Monpopo Nanam na Dubane America. Along with me actually.
Ma itu bana amashame kana formula Vaniba TV la try to make want to run what do bana danya energy Lydia do do masecho abumaji macho.
Okay, akwe mi abe no pala ke fi ya Gambia eko emi ko dule nye ya ke gama de mi actually kama azamo ko pe adu bene alu ada bene mi o nya sala kata amoyo kata no pom le Facebook YouTube ikene no multi channel Amos 17 ikene bo mi ha mi de akoma nya bla no awe no mi bo afi egbetu anje fito diga do ka ma azamo ko pe adu bena sister awe now and then Emmanuel Grigson and then Ethel, my lovely mom believe that you do hey, Marco, I quite done in your modern dollar making a trust them. You have a bedroom, you have a meeting for me and me quite that done in a Yamaha. Can't feel like a Bowalewi, a Miaga no me awake. I call a baby gospel one or I call Adumia. In the Canada, bye bye.